Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a quick and simple way to make a huge statement, wallpaper is the way to go. This one is from GLOW4U. It's this beautiful black and white pattern. It has florals and leaves and birds and butterflies. It's so cute, but it's also neutral enough that it can go with a lot of different styles. So it comes in a roll. It has the grid pattern on the back, so cutting straight lines is really simple, which I love. It is a little bit on the thin side, so you have to be delicate as you put it up, and the patterns don't always quite line up. Now, what I like about it is that it's such a busy pattern that you honestly can't tell. So I'm showing you a seam up close. You can see that maybe it's not quite lined up, but you step back literally 1 foot and it all just blends in together. You would have no idea. I have so many compliments when people come in, they walk into the house and they see this really beautiful statement wall and everybody really loves it. So I think it's an amazing way to change up your space without committing to something major because it's peel and stick. So all you do is peel off the backing, apply it to your wall, and you're good to go. I would definitely purchase this again. I think you will love it too. Really simple to use, but it makes a really bold statement. And that's my point of view.